Hello and welcome to ET Manufacturing's IndiaWood 2026 edition. Today, I'm joined by a key representative from SISTEMI client to talk about the growing demand for high precision tooling and the impact of CNC and automation machines. Hi, sir. Welcome.
Thank you for your invitation. I'm Eugenio Laghi, company SISTEMI Klein. So the name of the company is SISTEMI and the brand is Klein. We export from Italy into the world. We work with more than 60 countries in the world, mainly North America, Scandinavia and Europe. We have been working in India since 2017. We are dedicated to offer high technology tools. So the next level, what we call the next level of operation, both in the CNC and also in the artisanal working.
So, what are the global trends that are driving demand for high precision tooling, especially in sectors like wood, aluminium, and panel processing?
So generally speaking, the global trends that are going on are the new industrial sector that are growing. So even in country like India or China, that are these kind of countries where till 10, 15 years ago the production were almost related to small factories. And now the trend is to focus more on the CNC, focus more on what is the high production and the mass production. So especially with all the big company like IKEA, like like the Walmart or all the big companies in the world that are requesting mass production, and not anymore just mass production with low quality, but are requesting with high quality. Also measuring instruments for checking the dimension of the panels, for checking, let's say, the holes or everything that is related to giving to a big company like IKEA something that is checked, that is controlled, that is guaranteed. The CNC for sure, it's where the market is going. People right now are more related to what the customer is asking.
Right.
It's not anymore like we produce this and you are going to buy what we produce. So it's what you want, I produce. Because the CNC nesting, all these new machines give to the producer the possibility to manufacture based on drawing, based on the request of the customer. So the flexibility is very important right now. And with all these machines, thanks to this machine, they are able to do that. We as a tooling manufacturer, we see that the request is for PCD diamond tooling or solid carbide tooling with coating. So all these tools that you can mount on a CNC machine and work 20, 30, 40 times more compared to the standard.
Okay, my next question would be how important are quality standards and new materials in terms of staying competitive in export market?
Quality comes in any production line, but we always have to consider that it's not just quality, is being reliable in terms of price. And what I consider right now being more important is a ratio among like quality and price to give the possibility to be competitive with the correct price. Quality means everything to the people.
Right.
From the beginning, so from the machine tooling that goes into the machine, and then the panels, and then the hardware, so up to the design of the table or chairs, like everything, furniture, everything that is related to the woodworking. But not just in the woodworking, also in the aluminium processing, people are more willing to invest in quality tools, not anymore in cheap things that last for a limited period of time. So people now they know that spending a little bit more, they can achieve new results and give a better products to the final user.
Understood. A follow-up question just I want to make to you is, you spoke about, getting quality products at a price. So how do you strike balance between your quality and your price?
I think the balance comes from the market.
Right.
It comes from the request of the customer, comes from the quantity that you are able to produce. With the right machine, with the right raw material, always try to be at a high level. And I think once you base your standard, once you make your standard high, it's very hard to reach to that point, but then is necessary to be in the market and to be competitive.
Thank you so much, sir, for
Thank you.
joining us. That was Eugenio Laghi from SISTEMI Client discussing about the global trends that are driving demand for high precision tooling and also the need for new quality standards and materials to stay competitive in an export market. Stay tuned for more.